Manufacturing enterprises seek equipment reliability and maximize uptime. To achieve this, they need systems for predictive maintenance to prevent unplanned downtimes and ensure consistent output. Predictive alerts help address minor issues before they escalate, meeting customer demands efficiently. Leveraging IoT and AI, Vassar Digital provides not only predictive maintenance alerts but also actionable guidance for shop floor operations. Our technology collects data from IoT sensors and SCADA systems, which is then processed through an advanced remaining useful life AI algorithm. This generates preventive maintenance alerts, which are shared with the maintenance team and shop floor management. Upon detecting an anomaly from sensor data analysis, our system swiftly identifies and flags the issue. An alert in the form of a ticket is raised and assigned to the maintenance team, notifying them of the malfunction for prompt action. The maintenance team receives an alert containing a comprehensive diagnostics report detailing the probable cause. The system then leverages GenAI to provide the maintenance team with the necessary skills, tools, and steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. For further assistance, the maintenance team can engage with the GenAI-powered chatbot. It provides insights and guides the team through a detailed and comprehensive troubleshooting process, aiding to resolve the issue efficiently. Thank you for watching. For more information or assistance, feel free to contact us at Vassar Digital.